What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money, right? The time is 10:58. Start dashing. Uber Eats, searching for orders. So our time start now. What? Uber Eats, $6.30, 5.3 kilometers, and 16 minutes total. Tim Hortons, I'll accept that. So I pick up that food from Tim Hortons. This Tim Hortons at Unicity, they are really fast. So thumbs up for you guys, and they give me a free coffee. Thank you very much. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I just take it. Okay, this customer is 6 minutes away, 3.3 kilometers. Arrive at customer location here, and it says meet at the door. But this is a apartment building. I don't know if he's in the lobby. Customer came down. I give him a thumbs up for that. This customer, I delivered to him before a couple days ago, and he always come down and get his food. I wish all the customer could be like that. $6.31. This is Uber, $8.59, 8.7 kilometers. McDonald's, I'll accept that because that's the same way I'm going. McDonald's is inside the Walmart, and they're known for taking a long time. So finger crossed. Now it's 11:28, so let's see how long does it take. So it took me 4 minutes to grab that order. Surprise, surprise. I'll give them a good thumbs up for that. Customer is 7 minutes away, 5.3 kilometers. So this is Uber, $6.16, 6 kilometers. So now I have to go to Popeyes, 7 minutes away, 5.3 kilometers. And this is the same way I started my shift. So that was fast. Popeyes, thank you very much. Thumbs up for you, Popeyes. Customer is 2 minutes away, 1.4. So I drop off that order from Popeyes. I'm just gonna resume back my DoorDash, and it's $6.16. Right now with Uber, I'm at $21.06, and zero order with DoorDash, and the time is 12:01. And DoorDash, 11 kilometers, $18. I'll accept that. $18, 11 kilometers. Accept before I missed it. That's a good one. That's about 12 minutes drive to the customer. I could be wrong. I'm just average. And the restaurant is right here, right next door. So I arrive at the restaurant. The previous order was just next door where that brown building is, and the restaurant is right over here. So that worked out pretty awesome. Nice. Woohoo. So I grabbed that food from Green and Grain restaurant. Let's see how far is this customer. Oh, now I know this place. No. It's a big warehouse on a gravel road, so it's a little bit of a off-road driving. Maybe that's why it's $18. Did they bump the pay up? Nobody's accepting it. or the tip is good. I don't know. We'll find out afterwards. So it's 12 minutes away, 11 kilometers. At the customer location here, it says leave it at my door, the large green warehouse building near the end of the road. Base pay $6, customer tip $12. This is Uber, $5.66. Customer just ordered one item. If DoorDash could send me a better order, I'll take that. $5.66. The time is 1 p.m. I'm at $31.74 with Uber Eats. DoorDash $18. The time is 1:15. So I've been waiting for 20 minutes now, no order. Once it hit 1 p.m. it goes downhill, no order, it gets slow. So I'm just gonna end my shift now. I want to say thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for the summary. I think there's 2 more tips have to come in for Uber Eats, and see you in a bit. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the summary. I'll start with DoorDash. I had 1 delivery only. Active time was 23 minutes. Dash time was 2 hours and 16 minutes. So the order is $18. Base pay was $6. Customer tip $12. That's a really good tip. Thank you very much. This is Uber Eats. I had 4 delivery. Start from the bottom. $8.33. Customer tip $2.02. $11.59. Customer tip $3. $8.52. Customer tip $2.36. $9.25. Customer tip $3.59. So between Uber Eats and DoorDash, the total is $55.69 minus $4 for gas equal $51.69 divided by 2 hours and 15 minutes give us $22.97 per hour. That's a pretty good wage for this lunchtime, and always work in the busy hours or the sweet spot of the lunch hours or evening hours. And when it gets slow, don't waste your time. Just go home and do something else, unless you really need the money and you want to stay out and see if you get any order. Once it gets really slow around 1 o'clock, I just end my shift and go home. And if I make $50 in 2 hours, that's pretty good for me. So thank you guys for watching again. If you made it this far, like, share, and subscribe. And stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.